Cottage. The shipping container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the details and sizes, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of this house. The total area I have taken is 10 feet wide in meter 3 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. We have a step and after that we'll go inside. So we have an outdoor sitting area in the front side. The size of the sitting area is 3 feet wide in meter 0.91 meter, and here is a sliding door. After that we'll go inside. So we have a kitchen cum living area here. The size of the kitchen cum living area is 9 feet 4 inches into 7 feet 2 inches in meter 2.84 into 2.18 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, the tea table arrangement, and the front wall we have a TV unit. Also you can see here the kitchen counter here. Here is a burner, sink area and refrigerator arrangement, and also large size windows for ventilation and light purpose. After that we will go inside. So we have a common washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 6 feet into 3 feet 6 inches in meter 1.82 into 1.06 meter. You can see here the water closet arrangement and also the shower arrangement. For ventilation we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we will go inside. So we have a room here. The size of the room is 9 feet 4 inches into 8 feet in meter 2.84 into 2.43 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement, drawer arrangement, and also a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. This is the 20 feet container I have designed. If you like the video, keep watching the video and stay tuned with my channel. Thanks.